Well, here's another one on the washing machine situation. Let's go see. Does anyone in DC know how to make a washing machine? The Trump administration is about to impose Does anyone in DC know how to make a washing machine? The Trump administration is about to impose its third set of tariffs later this week, this time targeting steel and aluminum. The administration previously imposed tariffs on Canadian soft lumber, solar panels, and washing machines. Plenty of free trade defenders have taken the administration to task for imposing these new taxes on Americans, so I won't repeat those arguments. What I want to know is if anyone in the Trump administration has a clue how a washing machine is actually made. I don't think they do their own laundry. It isn't hard to find out. We have this wonderful thing called the internet where you can find out just about anything, except maybe why anyone cares what the Kardashians are doing this week. I found this site called How Products Are Made that has a synopsis of how a washing machine is made. Here are some excerpts from the raw materials section. Many parts of a washing machine are manufactured from sheet steel, usually coated with zinc to improve rust resistance. The steel manufacturer supplies the metal in a coil, which allows the material to be cut to size with minimum waste or automatically fed into the forming process. On some models made by Speed Queen, the spin tub is made of stainless steel. All other models use a steel called enameling iron designed for a porcelain coating. The transmission is generally made from cast aluminum, which arrives from the manufacturer in ingots, 20-pound slabs of aluminum. Will the steel tariffs negate the cost advantage gained by the previously imposed washing machine tariffs? I have no idea, and I'd bet my last dollar that no one in the Trump administration does either. This is what happens when you start micromanaging the economy. A more sarcastic commenter might even call it central planning, but I'll refrain from that kind of demagoguery. Instead, I'll just say that the phrase fatal conceit never seemed more appropriate than when applied to this administration, in more ways than one. Joseph Calhoun is CEO of Alhambra Investment Partners in Miami, Florida. So the deal here is this, and what I'm concerned about. The washing machine tariffs would make foreign-made washers, which is a lot of our washers, make them more expensive. Only mildly worried about that. Kind of not a problem. I'm a Speed Queen convert now, and they're made in the USA. Well, so they could be even more competitive with the other washers that don't do as good a job. The thing with the steel tariff is this. Think about all your appliances in your whole house. How many of them have aluminum or steel in them? Everything. Everything. Your washers, your dryers, your dishwashers, your microwaves, your mixers, all these items have steel or aluminum. Think about the parts inside. Your TVs, your computers, your beds, your spring beds, bed frames. I'm going mentally through my house. Hair dryers in the bathroom, fixtures to, do a bathroom. There's, steel trim, aluminum trim, TVs. Oh God, dog crates. Crap. I don't have enough time. I don't have enough time. Dog crates, moving out into the living room, all my various computer equipment, printers, monitors, routers, cable modems, they all have metal. My couch has got a hide-a-bed, which has got metal. Wood table. Oh, my recliner chair. It has metal. My cheap dog bed, which I'm going to remake out of PVC pipe, I think. I had 4 of them. I have 1 left. They broke under my dog's weight. So I think I'm going to make a new frame that fits the existing covers I have from the cheap dog beds out of PVC. So that's not going to cost anything. Some tables and chairs for the dining room. Dishwashers, refrigerators, microwaves, toaster ovens, knives, kitchen knives, silverware, utensils, dishwashers, freezers, chest freezers, phones, parts and phones, everything. Anyway, we've been, and I'm sure you have stuff. Air compressor. I've got this nice air compressor in my garage. Cars. Yeah. Everything is going to cost more because of the tariffs. Bush did a short tariff on steel before. It didn't go well. It didn't work out well. So I don't know where Trump thinks somehow this is magically going to work this time. So anyway, everything is going to go up. And by default, I mean the trucks to carry our food to the grocery stores are going to cost more to buy because they're made of metal. So they're going to pass that cost on to increase cost in the food. So everything's going to shoot up in price again. Everything. I don't know what people on disability are going to do. Gather together. Find people you can get along with and live together, I guess. Gather together in multiples is about the only way you're all going to make it. My kids both get disability for different reasons. So the 3 of us, we huddle together. It's the reason we make it. Everything's going to get more expensive. It isn't, at this point, it isn't just washers. It's everything. It's going to get more expensive to buy everything. So, wow. One moment for depression. Thank you very much. Anyway, think about that. Do what you can. Maybe repair items. I think might be cost effective. Anyway, till next video. Bye.